everybody. My name is Nelson Paulino. I'm from the Dominican Republic. And in case you don't know, the Dominican Republic is a country in the Caribbean. We are sharing one small island close to Cuba and Puerto Rico with the country of Haiti. Our system of government is like in the United States. It's a democracy. And we used for many, many years to be under dictatorship. But in 1961 was the end of that, and since then we've been developing our democracy. Many of our villages and towns are very remote and away from progress or away from access to education, health, food, and things like that. There's a lot of people living in the city of Santo Domingo, which is the capital city, and many other places around the country. Still today, people are in a distance from access to prosperity, or having a job opportunity, or going to school, or getting access to health care or medicine or anything like that. So Vision Trust, the ministry that I work with, has developed some partnerships with people around the country, actually in 13 different places, where we are with them reaching out for children. And children are the most vulnerable part of the community, because they suffer when the parents are gone or parents are dead and they're orphans or half orphans. And we partner with those nationals who we call local heroes. And they are the ones that they feel in their heart that they want to do something to benefit those children in their community. They've been working for years trying to find a way to change the conditions of those children. So Vision Trust gets together with these people and we say, okay, what is that you're doing and how can we help you? We've made an agreement with them where through our ministry and through the contributions of people like you in the United States and other parts of the world, Vision Trust International sends resources down to the Dominican Republic so we can give it to those kids in those projects. Right here where we are today, the ministry is called Cotui. The town is called Cotui. And we have 225 children living in a community that is very poor. Most people are living out of a rice plantation that only harvests 2 times every year. So every 4, 5, 6 months, maybe there's some kind of income in the community. So most people here, they don't have enough resources to feed their families on a daily basis. This project provides a meal every day for every one of our children. This project also provides school supplies, medicine. We have a team right now that is bringing dental care, a medical assessment, and they're doing what we call BBS, where we also are spreading the gospel to them through crafts and games and toys and things like that. We're also trying to build one building that we take care of this program, that the children can come inside and have classrooms, a board, a desk, so they can study and go to school. So Vision Trust, with the partnership locally in the Dominican Republic with these local heroes, plus the partnership of people outside of the country, is making possible that these children are actually having access to all of these benefits. When somebody sponsors a child, that's their personal contribution to that children. It's a connection that is directly with the child through this channel of the Office of Vision Trust and the local partner that we have here. So if you are looking for a place to help, this is one that I believe is very exciting to do. Most kids, whenever you meet your child, it's a very, very exciting experience. People like to be able to meet the children, interact with them, and if you can't come, at least you can receive letters and information from them on a regular basis. So thank you for listening to this, and I hope you can be part of our ministry too. Bye.
Thank you so much, Nelson.